Alright, Rotarians, let's get started. Whenever you log into Twitter, you enter your Twitter homepage. Now, for this video, we're going to talk about the Twitter homepage and also what these tweets mean and what reply, retweet, and favorite means. So let's get started. Your homepage has a news feed on the right-hand side. This news feed is basically everything that you and the people you are following are tweeting about. Now this can be pictures, links, articles, or just breaking news and such things. On the left hand side, you see your profile. And you see how many tweets you have tweeted, how many you are following, and also who is following you. Underneath that, you have a who to follow area where basically Twitter gives you suggestions on who you would maybe want to follow. Let's say we do want to follow Anne Arundel Library. We go ahead and click follow. Once we do that, it's going to open up with more suggestions. Let's go ahead and follow Bill Fine. Once we follow him, it's going to be replaced by somebody else. Go ahead and follow all the people or organizations you would like to follow and keep scrolling down. Right underneath who to follow, you have Washington Trends, and you can actually change your trends. So whenever you click change, you're able to see trends and you can search locations. Let's go ahead and search for Baltimore. If we want to change our trends to Baltimore, we can go ahead and do that. And we can also just look at the trends that are happening in the United States. Let's click done. As you can see, the trends have changed. One of the trends is actually Pocahontas. So what about these tweets? Well, each tweet, whenever you hover your mouse over them, will show you options. One option is to reply, another option is to retweet, and another is to favorite. Let's go ahead and look at John Hugo's tweet. John Hugo. Learning about Interplastan's medical teams funded by Rotary here and supported by Rotary and AP Region Destination. If we like this tweet, we can go ahead and favorite it. Let's look at the next tweet. In Lebanon, Rotary members take part in immunization campaigns to help keep their country polio-free. This is something that we are interested in and we would like to pass on the information to our followers. If so, that's when we want to retweet a tweet. By retweeting this tweet, we end up tweeting the same tweet but also holding the source of the tweet. So let's go ahead and retweet this. Once we have retweeted a tweet, we are able to see that tweet on our page. This is protest, and you can see that I just retweeted End Polio Now, and it shows up on my feed. Let's go back. The last option is reply. Now, if you would like to reply to a tweet, you simply can say, "This sounds great," or have a conversation by replying. But if you reply, you have to also know that these tweets will be public. So let's reply to a tweet. Learn about Rotary.org improvements at, and John Hugo gives us a link. Let's reply to it. That link was helpful. Thank you. Now when you click reply, it's going to create a little box for you to type in, and you can go ahead and write the tweet you would like to tweet and click tweet. Whenever someone replies to a tweet, you're going to be able to see it. But right now, we won't worry about that. So this is your home page. On another area of the actual tweets, you will see the More button. Underneath More, you can see Embed Tweet, which when you embed a tweet, you can post it on your website. If you feel a tweet should not be on Twitter and it should be removed, you can report a tweet. And here you can say it's spam, it's compromised, or abusive. But if you really just want to block them, you can block the person you are following. And this is your homepage.